Even for Jeremiah and Christina, feeding sharks isn't something they take lightly.
I've been so beat up and damaged doing this. Yeah, I'm always apprehensive. It could happen anytime, anytime.
Christina and Jeremiah are professionals. They've been doing this for years, and all of a sudden they've gone quiet. The whole crew on the boat's gone quiet, and everyone's very sort of serious all of a sudden. I'm still trying to be very collected and calm because my brain says don't panic. If you panic, it's not going to go well.
The group heads down to the wreck for a second time. Their job is to watch and learn. And stay well clear of the hungry shark jaws. Boys ready, Jeremiah begins to attract in the sharks. The trouble is, sharks can't always tell what's food and what isn't. Christina takes over as the sharks become increasingly frenzied. For the guys, it's quite a wake-up call. But Reuben loses his grip on the ship's rail and begins to drift right into the feeding zone. Spotting the danger, Christina ends the dive.
They said, whatever you do, don't wave your hands like this, and don't show too much white flesh, because that looks like a piece of meat. And I was just floating into the middle thinking, I'm gonna get eaten. Like this, I'm gonna get eaten, I'm gonna get eaten.
Christina's not happy.
The dive skills that I got to observe while I'm feeding will give us some room for thoughts about who's gonna go through and who's not.
You are sure you know who and what?
I'm very sure, sweetheart.
Pretty clear.
You don't have to challenge me. I know who does what down there. I have two sets of eyes when I'm feeding.